Look, all of us have certain defects that we can work on. No human is perfect, including your boy. I always see little areas that I can fix upon. Today, I'm gonna show you the 7 most common physical areas on your body that almost every man needs to tackle and fix. Let's hop into this. Number 1, the love handles. Yo, you're starting to get a little chunky. You're seeing the weight on the scale. This is a good sign. You need to start doing something. Now, I'm going to give you the 2 best tips to probably fight this that are easy that you can implement. Obviously, number 1, start working out or at least being physical, going for a walk. Get the blood pumping. This is an obvious one. Number 2, cut out the sugary drinks. It is incredible how many calories we consume just by drinking. You got to understand, every soda can that you drink or juice can are usually equal. It's anywhere from 160 to 200 calories. You take 3 of those a day, you're talking about 600 calories in surplus that you're consuming that's obviously contributing to that belly fat. Put it this way, you cut out all sugary drinks, let's assume it's 600 calories a day, times 7, that's 4,200 calories a week that you would be cutting out from your consumption, well over a pound of fat. Number 2, the patchy beard, bro. You know how powerful a beard is. You know how important it is. If you're seeing little patches or like it's not connecting, you gotta do something about it. You can work on it. The beautiful thing with the beard is that there's multiple things that you can do to manipulate the growth. For example, using a derma roller. A derma roller has been scientifically proven to help stimulate those hair follicles that have been dormant to help them start growing new hair. You mix that with some sort of solution to help facilitate that hair growth, and you got a powerhouse. This is why we have that exact beard growth kit. Boys, if you guys check out Heat Grooming and check out our beard growth kit, we're gonna include that derma roller plus our new beard growth oil that's packed with oils that you can use every day, not only to hydrate your beard and skin, but also has 3 active ingredients, which is biotin, turmeric, and castor oil that have been proven to help with the growth of hair. You combine that with your derma roller that helps puncture that surface level of the skin. Now the product can absorb faster and increase its effectiveness. Boys, if you want to do something about that patchy beard and start getting that thick beard that every dude wants, I want you to click the link down below and check out that beard growth kit bundle. You can buy them separately if you want to, but if you buy them together, you get 15% off, and we do free shipping and free returns if you live in the US. If you guys want to check them out, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, any sort of skin problem, texture, acne, blemishes, redness, hyperpigmentation, oiliness, all these skin defects will deter or destroy your confidence. But I don't want you to see this as a bad thing. I want you to see this as a good thing. See, if you have skin defects, that means that you only have the potential to look better. You have to understand that depending on what your skin problem is, you need to use the right products for that problem. They all differ depending on your skin type and your skin problem. But once you do your research and start implementing that on your daily routine, for example, I do that every morning and every night. I have my night routine for my skin. Once you start doing that, you're gonna notice a difference in your skin, and you're gonna just gradually start looking better and better and better. That's what I love about this, because once you see the problem and you start fixing it, you're gonna see that immediate change in your appearance. Number 4, your scent. If you have terrible BO, I'm talking about that natural musk, and it's nasty. Most of the time, it's 2 things. 1, it's what you eat. See, if you eat a lot of foods that are heavy in spices, heavy in garlic, heavy in oil, heavy in onion, chances are when you sweat or when you start getting a little bit active that the blood's pumping, those are the scents that you're gonna start exuding. So 1, I would cut out a lot of the smelly foods from your diet. And then you multiply on that, on top of that, a great hygienic routine. Be able to clean yourself in those strategic areas that you know are problem areas, like your armpits, your crotch, your ass crack. Those areas are problem areas. So have a great hygienic routine, clean up your diet, add an extra perfume as an umph, and now you've leveled yourself up like 10x. Number 5, your low testosterone levels. Boys, This is probably the worst thing to happen to you physically. See, when you have lower T, there's an increase in your depression. There's a drop in your motivation. There's a drop in your confidence. There's a drop in your muscle structure. There's a drop in your energy levels. And there's even a drop in your metabolism, which means you can gain weight more easily. Boys, having low T on men is probably the worst thing to happen to a man because it can affect almost everything, both physically and mentally. This is why going to the gym and having that healthy diet is so important. Boys, every time you go to the gym and you work out, especially those heavy muscle groups, you are actively forcing your body to produce more tests. Which rolls on to number 6, your posture. Your posture is destroying you, and it's a physical trait anybody can fix. See, if you notice you're hunching over a lot, standing up straight instantly makes you look taller. I'm talking about you can easily be adding 1 to 2 inches to your height just by standing up straight. On top of, you look more confident. You look secured in yourself. You look more dominant, and that's always going to be attractive. And finally, number 7 is the lack of confidence. See, when it comes to confidence, this is something almost every man battles with, and what I've come to realize is faking it till you make it is probably the strongest thing that you could ever do. See, when it comes to confidence, a lot of times it is the fear of the unknown. It is the fear that you think XYZ will judge you because of whatever you're doing. But if you start acting confident in social situations and approaching women and anything that you usually feel unconfident, and you start to realize like, yo, nothing bad happened to me. Yo, like I didn't die. Nobody cursed me out. Nobody judged me. You're going to start realizing that the areas that you felt the most unconfident in weren't that big of a deal. And now you're going to actually start feeling confident in those situations. So faking it till you making it actually works here. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our beard growth kit. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below. That's it for your boy. See you next time.